Adios, Jim. I'll see you in about a week. Bonafide Hustler here and just left the gym. It's Friday. And today, don't know if I'm gonna get a hot shot going, but we're gonna get something going and I'm still gonna take you with me. What's going on, guys and gals? Chris the Bonafide Hustler coming to you live from the inside of my spaceship. Cruising through the galaxy at probably 20 miles an hour. On my way to go study. I did look at Yard Sale Treasure Map this morning, and it's very bleak. I don't know if I want to be going to the extremes of town just to find some stuff. What I mean by that is there's a garage sale here, then I'd have to travel about 10 minutes to the next one, maybe 5 minutes to the one after that. And to me, with Friday morning traffic, I just don't see it as a good use of my time. What would be a great use of my time, though, is to contribute to this next guide that I'm building. Have you guys guessed what it is yet? Dude, guess what the guide's gonna be. Oh my gosh. So I wanna go to a coffee shop. I'm gonna study. I'm gonna go to a different one today. I'm actually gonna go to a Summer Moon coffee shop that is close to the section of town where we're holding the green room meetup. The last time I was at this coffee shop, it was kind of drizzly. I went in on a weekend. It was so jam-packed, I felt a little uncomfortable. There were just too many people in this tight coffee shop. But hey, it's in a booming part of town. You cannot blame Summer Moon Coffee for building their store right there. So yeah, I'm gonna work on this next guide. I'm gonna go home and, you know, attack what little of a death pile I have. Got some stuff to ship off. We'll be discussing that. Oh yeah, and while I worked out, oh man, I got an offer. All right, a $3 bag, got an offer for $65. So we're gonna have to accept that offer for sure. You might be thinking, what the hell's the bag at right now anyway? It's at 75 bucks. So a $65 offer, yeah. Forget the counter offer. When you take $3 and you can turn it to 65, thus meaning I'll probably walk with about 50 in the end. That's a good sale. I'll take it right now. And props to all you guys and gals out there that did buy the bag guide and still are buying the bag guide to this day. I like being passionate about things that I am still currently doing. And bag flipping is great. It's amazing. I love it. There's just it's bread and butter items, but a lot of people are lost. So I created a guide, spent many weeks building this thing, and it's finally done. It's ready. So if you're interested in checking that out, it's the first pinned comment down below. Let's start unlocking that revenue stream for you guys, honestly. So also down below, if you want to comment, let me know what great bag flips that you've done already. I'm very curious to see them. I know a lot of people in the green room post bag hustles, and I like that. I like seeing them, and they're always really good ones. But I'm curious to see what you guys out there in YouTube land have flipped that is bag related. Definitely LMK. I already see the parking lot to this place, and it looks like a madhouse. I guess this is a good spot. All right, so this place is Summer Moon. It's sitting over there. I think the reason why this coffee shop is so small is because it's part of a strip mall. Usually anything in a strip mall is typically very small, at least here in Austin, Texas, with the amount of land that's here. So that's it. We're gonna get into the coffee shop and work on this guide. Got a lot of cool things to do today, and I can't wait to create and have some fun. Overcast though, you know how Bonafide Hustler likes those overcast days. I'm telling you, in about a couple months, it's gonna be like 100 nearly every single day. Sunny, 100, everything's dry as hell. It's gonna be crazy. Oh my gosh, get your truck away from my truck, dude. What are you doing? Okay, back from the coffee shop. Did a lot of work. Actually did all guide work, all of it. And I have one hard drive left to go to get all the pictures that I need, but I am making progress on this next thing. Also accepted the offer for that bag, so that was pretty cool. Showed you guys that on video. I don't think I'm gonna go back to that coffee shop anymore. Honestly, like, it is so crowded. You have no idea how crowded that coffee shop is. A line the whole time I was there. A line that was 10 to 15 people deep at any given time. As an entrepreneur, there are certain things that are just too much, and that's one of those things. Like it's just exceptionally crowded in there, and it's real tight, and it was really cold. I noticed that it was very cold in that place, which sucks because I'm a no sleep. Hey, it's no sleep Bonafide weather now. Yeah, let's see what else kind of stuff we can do today. But yeah, I'm gonna go home and get this stuff packed up and do a couple other things. It's beautiful out here. Got the protein shake. So close to a Goodwill. I think I'm gonna go hit it up. There's one Goodwill that's kind of close to here. Let's give it a shot. Oh yeah, it's really close actually. Now that I think about it, I can make it there. All right, at the Goodwill. Gonna check this place out, see if I can find anything. This place doesn't smell that good, by the way. Come to think of it, I don't know if I've ever been at a Goodwill that smells good. So yeah, we're gonna see if we can find anything here to resell. Let's see. This looks like a normal card, doesn't it? Oh my God, what the hell is that?
You know, get my guy.
Alright, I got 2 electronics, 2 other things. I'll show you in the car. I'm really glad I went to this one thrift store. I mean, I want to go thrifting even more today, but I got stuff to do. Gosh, you know, when you have a good knowledge base, and I'm not trying to toot my own horn, but when you have a good knowledge base and you have studied a lot of things throughout the years, and of course I'm probably 12 or 13 years into this game by now, you learn a lot of things and you know a lot of things. When you go into a place like this, or a yard sale or a garage sale, it's easy to find money, it really is. So I did put down a bunch of things, just didn't kind of align with my strategy. I rescued one thing today. I have 2 cool finds to show you outside of that one thing. So let's start with what I rescued. This is what I rescued. Now everyone should know what this is. This is Classic Football 2, which I believe has both footballs in it, something like that. But either way, everyone should know this, especially if you're in like the 70s or 80s, I guess. It's such a fun game to play. This is pre-Tecmo Bowl. Yeah, right here, you don't get 100 points. It's not Tecmo Bowl where you go to like the end zone and then you throw it to the other end zone. It doesn't work like that. This, you basically run your freaking ass off, and this is what's going on. So I had to rescue this. This was $3, and these things are selling on eBay for around 30 bucks or so, 30 to 38. So I'll try to get with good keywords around the 35, 38 area. I just want to play with it and mess around with it because it brings back memories, honestly. So it's a bit of a rescue. What do you think? Should I have rescued this? It's cool. I like it. All right, here's a bolo. If you don't know about this, this is the big screen solitaire. And check out there's just so many of these sold on eBay. They start around 40 bucks and they go all the way up to 90 in used condition. This is the one with the lit screen too, and they light up here on the side. I think there's maybe a non-lit version, but the lit screen version is obviously worth more. So there we go. This was $3. Here is probably the bigger score of the day. This was $20 out the door. These are Scuba Pro twin jets, all right? So it looks like a normal scuba fin, but what we have is this right here. So a little bit different looking. A Scuba Pro twin jet, you know, a little bit harder to find, 20 bucks. Sold are usually around $75 to $100. So with good keywords, I bet you I could probably get around 80. Maybe I can even get 90, never know. So funny kind of story, I was exiting the Goodwill with all this stuff in my hands, and a guy kind of crosses my path. He goes, "Taco level profits, did you get it?" I was like, "Huh? Oh." And I was like, all right, must be one of my, you know, watchers and stuff. So shout out to Scott. It was just so cool. You might be seeing Scott on a ride along pretty soon. But yeah, he instantly was just like, yeah, I watch your videos, and taco level profits. He nailed it, man. That's pretty funny. I'm not at taco level profits today. I'm at juice level profits. But hey, thought it was a good day. Thought it was a good score for one Goodwill. I still got stuff to do, so I got to get a juice somewhere. I got to get a little bit of a reward. So I'm probably sitting on a little over 100 bucks. It's pretty good, you know, considering one thrift store, not too bad. All right, I'm at the crappiest 7-Eleven in the whole town. Oh, this is the kind of 7-Eleven where A, you might get shot, B, you'll probably get a door ding, and C, I don't know what the hell I'm doing here. But I'm gonna go here, get something quick to drink. I'll see you guys in a jiffy with whatever I get right here. Ready? Here we go. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Whoa! You You see that? That was pretty cool. So, what do we got here? We got a Topo Chico twist of lime. Ooh, I like Topo Chico, normal Topo Chico, but this one's got a twist of lime. If you're down with a Topo Chico, let me know. LMK below. Ooh. Sounds good already. Smells like lime a little bit. So a twist of lime. Let's see what a twist tastes like. This tastes like a Sprite without any sugar. Calories, 0, yay. It's basically mineral water with natural lime flavor. So, pretty awesome. There we go. Made in Monterrey, Mexico. Wow, the carbonation is out of control on this thing. It's a little heavy. It's a lot of carbonation. I'll save that for the ride. All right, so let's get home and proceed on with the day. At the Hustler Casa. Ooh, there's the leftovers from yesterday. Oh, E-money. You want some?
Yeah.
Your head looks so tiny now. What happened?
I feel sick to my stomach.
What happened? Where's your hair?
It's tucked underneath this thing.
Yeah, right. Open it. Here, put your head up real quick.
Oh, open it up?
Open up your head.
No way. There's like nothing in it.
So, open your head.
Open it?
Open your head.
Oh, yay, forever on YouTube. Forever on YouTube. No.
Oh, he cut it.
But there's nothing in it. There's nothing in it, guys. Nothing.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow. You want some barbecue?
Hey, look at yours. Why don't you put yours on there?
Mine looks awesome. E-money, what does it look like? Ooh.
Yeah, it looks really good. It's really good.
Dang, E-money. You gonna get some sauce, E-money?
Yeah, just drop it on there and get a fork.
There you go. Like put it all in one.
Man, that smells good.
I think Austin just farted. You got a good nose, Emerson. What does it taste like? Is it good?
This is the second time that I've had Franklin's barbecue in my entire life.
Yeah?
It's much better this time.
You like it?
Yeah.
I got E-money a rib, I got him some brisket, and Franklin's sausage.
But I think last time I had burnt ends.
Oh yeah, cool. We had those yesterday.
Yeah.
We ate them all. Ha 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 ha, you don't get none. All right, I'm gonna shoot some of this stuff right here. Got a heat gun as well that I'm going to take these little stickers off with. I'm gonna shoot the picture of this one right here, shoot the picture of this one right here. After that, I'm gonna shoot the picture of those fins and then list all of this stuff. So I just got done doing that, and the Scuba Pro fins now are in 2 sandwich poly mailers. One of the games is sitting right here. The other game, the Radica Solitaire, is just chilling right there. I'm gonna ship some of the stuff off for today. Gotta go find out what sold. Didn't get paid for the backpack yet, but definitely sold this tanning kit kind of thing that I found, I think at a Goodwill for $10 for $83.99. It's sitting here in this 12 by 12 by 6 box. It says tanning on the side. Go figure. Going out. All right, let's go find the neighborhood mailman real quick. Let's get this sucker out. Which direction might this person be? Here or here? I'm gonna bet. It's 50-50 chance, but I'm gonna take this one. We're a quarter mile from my house right now. And here is my mailman. Mr. Mailman Mike. Hey man, Taylor Swift or no Taylor Swift today?
No Taylor Swift today.
Are you sure?
I'm sure.
I see the top of your head. That's all we get of Mike today.
Look at that baldness.
I got you a present.
A present?
That's an eBay item. You take it for me?
No.
Dude, I feel like I'm that dude from Home Improvement. You ever seen that show? Where you're like the guy over the fence?
What was the name of the guy?
Wilson?
Was it Wilson?
I don't know. Was it? Was it Wilson? The guy on the fence, you know, the...
Yeah, the always wore the hat.
Yeah, wore the hat. I don't know.
That's
all right, cool, man. Good to see you, man. Everyone said hi to you, by the way, in the video.
I said hi back.
I know you said hi back to some of them. Saw that.
I think like 15 people.
Dang, man.
Maybe.
Bro, you're doing better than I am on replying.
Hey, come on now.
Anyway, so got the stuff dropped off. I'll see you guys back at the house. I think this is a good place to end the vlog. Hey guys, I really enjoyed hanging out with you today. Got more stuff to do, but I want to get this vlog edited and out to you guys. So if you enjoyed it, hit the like button, leave me a comment. I'll see you on the next Bonafide Hustler Hotshot. Take it easy. And the bag was paid for. Oh, I guess it's gonna go out tomorrow then. See you next time.